Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo Online. First, ensure your gaming console has a stable internet connection, ideally a wired one for reliability. Next, update your Gran Turismo game to its latest version to access all online features. You will also need to create or log into your PlayStation Network account. Finally, complete the initial single-player tutorials, which typically take about 30 minutes, to unlock the full range of online racing options. Once your setup is complete, navigating the online modes is straightforward. From the main menu, select the Sport mode for competitive racing against players worldwide. If you prefer custom events, choose Lobby to either join an existing private room or create your own with specific rules. For quick, structured events, explore the daily races, which refresh regularly. Remember, the multiplayer section also offers local split-screen fun for up to 2 players. When you're ready to race, select an event and register your preferred vehicle. Before the green light, carefully review the race regulations, which often include specific tire compounds and fuel consumption rules. It is highly recommended to practice the track layout for at least 5 minutes before the official race begins to learn braking points. Always strive for clean driving. This will improve your sportsmanship rating, leading to better quality races. To truly enhance your online experience, consider fine-tuning your car's settings for optimal performance on each unique track. The game offers extensive customization options, allowing you to personalize your vehicle's appearance using the detailed livery editor. For a more structured and social experience, consider joining a racing league or community. Many exist with regular organized events. Finally, utilize voice chat to communicate effectively with your friends in private lobbies, fostering teamwork and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.